When you open an account in Turkey, you don't need to deposit your money in Turkish lira. You can deposit it or open accounts in any major currency you like. Hello, so we get a lot of questions from foreigners who want to open a bank account in Turkey and they get conflicting answers. To open a bank account in Turkey, it only takes 3 things. The process is straightforward and easy. The 3 things are your passport, a tax number, and proof of address. Now, for the tax number, to get it, you need to go to the local tax department, and you can apply there and get it easily on the same day at the same moment. For the proof of address, you need a utility bill like electricity or water issued in your home country with your contact information, your name and your address, and it has to be issued in the last 3 months. Now, if the utility bill is not in Latin, the bank might require that you translate and notarize the utility bill. After you take the utility bill and the tax number and your passport, you can open a bank account. But since Turkey has more than 40 different banks, some banks might require additional documentation or additional requirements. Some banks might ask for a residence permit. That first you need to get a residence permit in Turkey and then you apply to the bank. Other banks can ask for registration in the address system, or what is called as nüfus. We're gonna make another video on that. So nüfus, you basically go to the local civil registry with a copy of your rental contract and a utility bill in your name, and you register there and it goes automatically in the system. So when you go to a bank, they can see your address on the system. When you open an account in Turkey, you don't need to deposit your money in Turkish lira. You can deposit it or open accounts in any major currency you like. Now, there's a new system called the FAST system, F-A-S-T. The FAST system is a new electronic system which makes transactions between different banks occur outside the banking hours. So before, if I have to send money from one bank to another bank, I have to do it during the normal banking hours. I cannot do it at night, I cannot do it in the weekend. But with this new system, you can do it 24/7. Now the system is still in the initial mode, so they started it with a small amount from 50 TL up to 250 and then 500, and by the end of January 2021 it's gonna be around 1,000 Turkish lira. They might increase that limit in the future. This is a good option for foreigners who want to transfer money on Saturdays and Sundays from different banks. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments below and we'll answer them as fast as possible. Also, please subscribe because we will be covering a lot of topics for foreigners about everything you need to know about living and investing in Turkey. Stay tuned.